Can you help clean up after painters, handymen, or trades before sale day?
Yes. We specialize in post-trades cleanups, especially when your property has just been painted, patched, repaired, or styled before sale. These kinds of last-minute jobs often leave paint drips or plaster dust, dirty footprints and tool marks, rubbish, plastic, cardboard, or packaging, dust and debris in corners, behind doors, or in cupboards. We know that timelines are tight leading up to photography or inspection day. That's why we offer flexible scheduling and detailed cleaning even at short notice to ensure your home is free of dust, residue, and clutter, ready for styling, staging, or real estate photos. Safe, fresh, and camera ready. Whether you've had painters, cabinet installers, bathroom fitters, or flooring trades, we've got the experience and patience to clean up properly without rushing or missing details. Your listing deserves perfect photos. We'll make sure every surface, from floor to ceiling, is ready for the spotlight.